Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I really hope everybody's fine. My name is Vanessa, and today I'm here recording a quick video to talk to you guys about the NervoLink supplement. And it's just this really cool supplement that's been helping thousands of people out there. So stay tuned until the end of this video because I have some really important alerts and important information to share with you guys about this product, all right? Is where you're going to get it from. Now, rather than just leave you surfing the internet by yourselves and looking for that official website, I'm actually going to help you guys out and make your lives easier by leaving their official website just below this video in the description area, and you guys can check out that official website once you finished watching this video, okay? And also just to mention, you guys can check out people's feedbacks over there. You can read more into its natural ingredients and check out the cool packets that they are selling. All right, guys? So, what is NervoLink and does it work? First of all, let me just tell you this. Yes, NervoLink really works and it also brings a ton of results. If you use NervoLink the right way and do everything the right treatment asks you to, I'm pretty sure you're gonna get results in no time. So guys, NervoLink it reduces nerve pain and chronic inflammation. It also reduces muscle pain and stiffness, improves muscle and bone function, as well as it improves joint health. And one really cool thing is that it fights physical and mental fatigue. So there are thousands of people having excellent results with the NervoLink supplement because it's 100% natural. And since it is natural, it means there are no contradictions and there are no side effects. And that's why anybody can take it. And guys, also keep in mind that once you start taking NervoLink, you should do the treatment the correct way in order to actually obtain results, all right? So take it every single day without interruptions. And if you're kind of scared and just want to test it out, you can actually test NervoLink out for 60 days. And if for any reasons at all you don't like it or it's not for you, you can just ask for a refund and they'll give you 100% of your money back. So it's really cool. And you shouldn't be scared about taking it because it's also FDA approved and GMP certified, all right, guys? Well, guys, that's what I had to talk to you guys about. So be sure to check out their official website, all right? Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a beautiful day, guys. Bye!